Today we are going to start exercise 2.4. So question number 1 is verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomial below are their zeros. Also verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients in each case. Right? So let us do part 1 of question number 1. Right? So question 1, part 1. Our cubic polynomial is written as 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. Okay, and one by two, comma 1 comma minus 2 are the zeros. First of all, we have to verify that these are the zeros of the given polynomial or not. How we are going to do it? We are going to suppose our polynomial is px. So p in, let us say, for check for 1 by 2 first. So we will find the value of this polynomial at 1 by 2. So that is 2 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2. Okay, so that is 2 multiply 1 by 8 plus 2 square is 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. Okay, so this is 4 here. Take LCM 4. So this is 1 plus 1 minus 2 5 is 10 plus 8. Right? So you can see 8, 9, 10 and minus 10, that is 0. 0 by 4, that is 0. As the value of the polynomial at 1 by 2 is 0, so therefore 1 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Same like this, will check for 1 and minus 2. So let us check for at x equals to 1. So value of polynomial at 1 is 2 multiply 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. Right? So that is 1 cube is 1, 2 1 is 2 plus 1 square is 1, 5 into 1 is 5 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 minus 5 is 0. So we can say 1 is also 0 of the given polynomial. Let us check for minus 2 now. At x equals to minus 2. So p value of polynomial at minus 2 is 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus minus 2 cube minus 5 into minus 2 whole cube minus 2 plus 2. Right? So this is this was, here it was x cube, here it was x square, and here it was x. So 2 multiply minus 2 cube is minus 8, minus 8 into 2 is 16, minus 16, minus 2 square, this is square, this is minus 2 square, that is positive 4, and this is 5 into minus 2, that is minus plus 5 to the 10 plus 2. Right? 10 for 14 into 16, and this is negative 16, that is 0. So we can say that 1 by 2 comma 1 comma minus 2 are zeros of given polynomial. Okay, now we need to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, zeros and coefficients. So let me write our polynomial once again, that is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. What is the standard form of a cubic polynomial? That is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so here you can say a is 2, b is 1, c is minus 5, and d is 2. Okay, and what zeros are given? What? 1 by 2. So alpha is 1 by 2. Let us say alpha is 1 by 2, beta is 1, and gamma is minus 2. Okay, so first of all we'll check alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of zeros, that is equals to minus b upon a. What is alpha? That is 1 by 2. What is beta? That is 1. What is gamma? That is minus 2. Equals to minus. What is b here? That is 1. What is a here? That is 2. So if we solve this one, positive 1 as it is, this is negative 2, equals to minus 1 by 2 this side. So here taking LCM 2, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 4. Okay, so that is 4, 2 and 1 3. 4 minus 3 is minus 1 by 2 equals to minus 1 by 2. So this is verified that both the things alpha plus beta gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma, and the value of minus b upon is same. Now we'll check for sum of zeros. We have checked. Now we'll taking two at a time, and then the sum means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is equals to c by a. Okay, so alpha is what? 1 by 2. Beta is what? 1. Beta is what? 1. Gamma is what? Minus 2. Plus gamma is what? Minus 2. Alpha is what? 1 by 2. Equals to c. C is what? C is minus 5. A is what? 2. Okay, so this 2 is cancelled by this 2. So here we can have 1 by 2 minus 2, and this is plus minus is minus 1, equals to minus 5 by 2. Okay, so you can see, take 2 common, LCM. So this will be 1, and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, minus 5 by 2. 4 and 2 6, minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 5 by 2. This is also verified. And at the last, now we'll check for the product, that is alpha into beta into gamma, that is minus d upon a. So alpha is 1 by 2, gamma is 1, beta is 1, gamma is minus 2, equals to minus, what is d? See, check, d is 2, a is what? 2, a is 2. Okay, so this 2 is cancelled by this 2, this is minus 1, 2 1 are 2, minus 1, verified. So all three are verified here. Okay, so this is how you have to attempt the second part of question number 1. Then question number 2, find a cubic polynomial with the sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time and the product of its zeros as 2 minus 7 minus 14. Read the question very carefully, as 2 is given what? Sum of zeros. Sum of 0 means alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is given 2. Then it is given sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time, means alpha beta, beta gamma, alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is given how much? Minus 7. And product of 0, alpha into beta into gamma, is given minus 14. Okay, right? Now here I have written this information here, and we know the general form of a cubic polynomial is like this: x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. Okay, so k as it is, x cube as it is, minus alpha plus beta plus gamma is given what? That is 2 into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is given minus 7 into x minus alpha into beta into gamma, that is given minus 14. Okay, so that is x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14. So therefore our required cubic polynomial is x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14, right? Okay, now we'll move to another important question of exercise 2.4, that is question number 5. If the polynomial x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k, and the remainder comes out to be x plus a, find k and a. We need to find the value of k and a here. Okay, so now it means in the question what is given, px, that is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. Okay, and gx is given x square minus 2x plus k, and when they have divided, the remainder is given x plus a. Now we will divide these two, and because it is given remainder, so when we will divide we will also have a remainder, so both the remainder should be equal. So I have divided this question already as it was long. So now x square minus 2x plus k, we are going to divide x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 by this one. So as it is here, x to the power 4 is there, so we'll multiply by x square. So x square into x square is x to the power 4, then x square multiply minus 2k, that is 2x cube negative, and then x square multiplied by k, that is kx square. So changing the sign, x to the power 4 is cancelled by minus x to the power 4, and minus plus is minus, 6 minus 2 is 4, that will be negative as 6 is greater, minus 4x cube plus 16x square as it is minus kx square minus 25x plus 10. We this is 16x square and this is kx square. Okay, so you cannot subtract k from 16, that's why I've written both as it is. Now our first term is minus 4x cube, so we will multiply x square by minus 4x, so we will get minus 4x cube plus 8x square minus 4kx. Okay, changing the sign, these two will be cancelled, so what we'll have, 16x square minus 8x square. Okay, we'll see from here, as we have cancelled minus 4kx cube with 4 positive 4kx cube, what was remaining, 8x square minus kx square minus 25x plus 4kx plus 10. So here it is 8x square, right? So we'll multiply by the full with 8, x square multiply by 8, so it will come 8x square. So 8 multiply x square is what, 8x square. 8 multiplied by minus 2x is, that is minus 16x, and 8 multiplied by k is 8k. Changing the sign, so one is positive, one is negative, like terms cancelled out, minus kx square, 25 minus 16 is 9, 25 is greater, minus 9x, 4kx plus 10 minus 8k. Now we need what, minus kx square, so we'll multiply by minus k. So minus k multiply x square, that is minus kx square, minus k multiplied by minus 2x, that is positive 2kx, that is positive 2kx, and then negative k multiplied by positive k, so that is negative k square, that is negative k square. Changing the sign, minus will be plus, plus will be minus, negative will be positive, right? So kx square gone with kx square, minus 9x, 4kx plus 2, sorry, negative 2kx, so 4 minus 2 is 2 kx, 4 is greater, so positive sign is this, positive 2kx. Then this positive k square I have written, then I have written minus 8k, and then 10 is remaining here. Okay, so now this is our remainder. You see how we know that we don't have to divide further. You see x here, right, and the degree of this polynomial is what, 1 here, and the divisor is the degree of 2. So this is a smaller polynomial than that. So it means we can stop our division here. Now this is our remainder, and what was it was given in the question, x plus a. So this remainder and this remainder will be equal because both the remainders are of the same question. Okay, so we have written x plus a equals to minus 9x plus 2kx plus k square minus 8k plus 10. Okay, now by comparing, what we'll do by comparing, you see here I can write it as x plus a is equals to, if I'll from here this portion, from this portion what is there, I can take x common. I can take x common. So what will be minus 9 plus 2k. Okay, so this is a part of x, and this is also part of x. That's why I have compared with these two, x with x portion. Okay, and rest this portion x square minus 8k plus 10 will compare by non-variable part, that is a. Okay, so by comparing x equals to minus 9x plus 2kx, where x we have taken common, so remaining here is minus 9 plus 2k. Okay, x cancelled by x, that is 1, minus 9 plus 2k, that is equals to 1. Transposing minus 9 to other side, that will be plus 9 plus 1, that is 10, 2k. So k is 5 here. Okay, same like this when we will compare these two where no variable is there with them. So a is k square minus 8k plus 10. We know the value of k, that is 5, putting the value of k. So here 25 minus 8 into 5 is 40 plus 10. 25 plus 10 is 35 minus 40. So a is minus 5. So this is how we have to do this sum. Okay.